So you might be in a situation where you're trying to go through and basically find malware on your particular Android phone. Now, the first thing to understand is that to get malware on your devices, it is kind of a tough thing. If you're just using your phone as you normally would, you might not actually experience any malware whatsoever if you just do some basic stuff. But if you are kind of going through and downloading a bunch of crazy things inside of your device and you're doing some insane stuff that way, then the first thing I'd recommend doing is to go through and check for suspicious applications. Check for any suspicious apps that are basically installed or downloaded inside of your device. So go through, do a good thorough check, make sure there's nothing randomly downloaded. If you start to see some really random kind of obscure applications, just go through and make sure you didn't actually just download them. If you didn't download them, that could be one of the issues you might run into. That's kind of one way to check malware. Another thing, check for performance issues. If your phone is very, very slow randomly now, if it's giving you some issues like that, that can also be another problem you might run into as well. So try going through and try making sure that that isn't necessarily a problem with that either. You might also want to check for some battery drain. You might want to check your phone's battery life and just make sure that it isn't necessarily draining with a bunch of battery life from that way either, because that is another way to kind of just double check that that isn't the issue. And if that's not the issue, check for any overheating, any other suspicious activity, any account lockouts. If those things are the case, if your phone does seem to have malware, you're going to have to first back up all the data that you can. So go through, back up as many different data points that you can, your photos, all that stuff, and then go through and you want to factory data reset all of it. So go inside of settings, and all you're going to want to do is go into your factory reset options, factory reset everything, and then you can go through and kind of use your phone from there and restore the data. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.